So it's probably nothing, but it's been on my mind sometime and I can't let it go. I know there's gotta be something that I could say in time, but I can't find the words. Keep me on fire. Keep